guys, welcome to another video. So today I've got a few bargains I want to share with you, what I've got from Aliexpress. I've also got a couple of little bits from Shein as well. Like I always do guys, I shall leave the links for everything in my description box, providing the links are still available. And I shall leave the prices that I paid in the corner of the screen. Looking in this box, I have got quite a lot to go through, so I'm hoping I'm going to get it done in one video. If not, I'm going to have to do a part 2. So I'm just going to get straight into it and we'll see what bargains I found, shall we? So the first couple of things I'm going to show you are from Shein. This is the first one, something that I've been wanting for a long time and just not got round to ordering. It is a bling box. As you can see, I have already opened it and filled it because I couldn't wait. I was like a big kid when this arrived. So they come in 4 little compartments and the lid's open like that. Really handy this is, and super cheap as well. And I also got it's actually a photo album, but I'm going to call it a sticker book. So it's one of these where it's got the full page and it's just where I put my larger stickers. That was really cheap as well. I couldn't actually find them cheaper on AliExpress, so I was absolutely buzzing with the price of them because Shein stuff comes so much more quicker than what Ali stuff does. So they're the couple of bits from Shein. Now everything else that I'm going to show you is from AliExpress. So first parcel is, ooh, we got some molds. Well, I'm hoping you're going to be able to see these. Yeah, you can see these in the packet. So this one is some teddy bears, some paw prints. Look at them cute paw prints, guys. Some sweeties. I really like them. These are super cute. Super cute. Now you can fill these with gel, polygel, acrylic, resin. They haven't got to be nail stuff. They're really cute. Love them. Obviously, I had to get this one, being Chanel. I saw this one on one of Cammy's AliExpress hauls. So this, I like this one. I can't wait to try this one. It has got like a, can you see that little diamond? So you could either fill that with your product or you could leave it empty and put your own crystal in there. I think that is cool. I have got a Chanel one, but it's nowhere near as nice as that. My one's pretty rubbish compared to that. I got these. I don't know why I got these. I think it was just because they were cheap. And I do quite like feathers, although I don't think I've ever done a feather design, but I do like them. Just don't know why I've not got around to doing it. Why is my camera looking really dark? And then lastly, I bought this one. So these are, you know, the little 3D flowers that have been really popular just lately? Well, this is the mould to create those. So I cannot wait to try them. I'm dying to try some chameleon ones, some aurora ones, some glitter ones, shimmery ones. Oh, the opportunities are endless, aren't they? So you've got 3 different sizes as well, which I like. You've got the large, the medium, and the itty bitty ones. Ignore my nails, guys. I have started doing my nails and then I got sick. So that is the next thing on the agenda. So please don't bash me. I know they are a mess. What have we got next? Ah, right. So these are caviar beads, but can you see what's happened? The teeny tiny ones have all leaked. So the sizes of, oh, look at them, they're everywhere. I'm going to be cleaning these up for days, I'm telling you. So this one's alright, this one's not leaked. So these are size 0.4 and these are size 1. And as you can see, you get them in the gunmetal colour, gold, silver, rose gold. And you get these 2 in the gold and silver. And then these ones that have leaked. These are 0.6 And these are the size 1 again. So it's these ones that I've leaked. But I'm not that arsed. I can't imagine I'm going to use them very often anyway, to be honest. I knew I wanted some teeny tiny caviar beads, but I wasn't sure whether they were the 04 or 06. Looking at them, I think it's probably these 06 that I wanted. Let me just show you them side by side so you can compare the two. I think you're going to be able to see the darker ones better. Can you see the difference in size? Very, very slight difference. But yeah, the 04 are teeny tiny. But I think I will still use them for, you know, like little caviar bead chains and things. I think I'll use them for that. Then I've ordered some crystals. Oh, I've been dying for these to arrive, guys. Check these out. These are sky blue metallic crystals. How pretty are they? I've been looking for these on Ali for so long. Because I don't use that many, I wanted a mixed size bag, but I can't find any mixed size bags that are non-hot fix. You can only get the hot fix in the mixed sizes. And I've never tried hot fix on a nail. And I'm curious to know whether they're going to stick up too high. Do you know what I mean? Because of that hot fix material. In fact, should we have a quick look to see what they look like? Oh yeah, I am loving those. They look a lot darker on camera. Obviously you can see them more lighter in the bag. But looking at them from the side, I'm actually really happy with them. I'm going to show you, but they're not sticking up too much at all. Really happy with those. Yes. So pleased I bought them now. So I'm just going to quickly pop them in with my crystals. Now the other crystals that I ordered was supposed to be metallic fuchsia crystals, but they've gone and sent me these crappy things. So I'm a little bit disappointed about that. But I've contacted the seller and the seller has sent me the right ones out, hopefully this time. So I should get them any day, hopefully. I was really peed off about them because the metallic ones are just as pretty as them sky blue ones. They are stunning. Oh yeah, I remember these. Now these were super duper cheap, guys. My girly girl Aggie put me onto these. Thank you, chick. These were an absolute bargain, let me tell you. So they've sent me a little freebie. Thank you for your order. Cute. I've ordered 2 different lots. So the first ones are Chameleon Hex Mix, which I have got a few of these, but the ones that I've got the larger hexes in, and I don't like large hex. And these I've got the medium and small and fine in. So we've got this one. I don't know whether you're going to be able to see the colour shift on all of them. So this one is a gorgeous pink with that UV shift. Beautiful. Look at that one, guys. That is so pretty. That has got all sorts going on in there. Gorgeous. Then we've got a gold which shifts to a pink. Can you see that? Just see it shifting. Oh my lord. I don't know what colour that is, but it's definitely giving me autumn vibes. It's like a bronze to a greeny gold. That is going to be perfect for this time of year. We've got a bronze to a yellow gold. Look at that shift, guys. We've got a purple to a pink. I'd say that's more holographic than it is chameleon, that one. This one's pretty. Look at this one. Hot pink with a purple shift. Beautiful. This one's like a rose to a gold. That one's like a bronze to a gold. That was a bronze to a gold as well, but can you see it's a different bronze altogether? This is probably one of my favourite ones. So this is a really pretty light pink, and it shifts to like a silver. Oh, my camera's not going to do this justice at all. Not at all. Really pretty though. This one is like a pinky purple, and it goes to a green. These are so cool. And this is probably one of my favourite ones as well. So this is a baby blue. And again, it shifts to like a silver. You see that? Just really, really pretty that is. I like that. I like it a lot. So you get 12 in that set. As you can see, the price on the screen, guys, they were cheap. Proper bargain they were. And then I got these ones. Now these are smart, guys, let me tell you. I've not seen anything like these. Check these out. So we've got an orange. We've got yellow. Look at that yellow. It's a proper yellow. Look at this one. This one's green, but it's got that kind of golden shimmer to it. That's so pretty. Same again with this pink one. It's got that golden shimmer to it. Looks more silver on camera, but it is. There you go, look, you see that? That golden shimmer. These are stunning. Oh, look at this one. Look at that blue. I really like that golden effect. So pretty. Oh, this is a really nice, unusual colour. Look at that. Really, really pretty purple colour. I can see me using these a lot. Then we got a baby pink one. And again, that's got that nice warm golden shimmer running through it. They are gorgeous. You get 7 in this collection. £1.61, guys. So cheap. Alright, they're 2 grams, but I don't need no more than 2 grams. But if you feel like you would use more than that, then at that price you could buy 2 or 3 of them, you know? They're so cheap. Right, what else we got? We've got a mixed size of these. These are called Capri Blue. Really pretty. Again, mixed size. These are called Olivine. I haven't got any light green ones. They're not really my sort of colour, but you never know when you're going to need them. At that price, they're well worth buying, aren't they? Just to build your colour collection up. We've got Rose. Oh, I was dying for these ones as well. Check these out, guys. So these are the dark blue metal. Look at those. I'm loving these metallic crystals at the minute. I really am. I can't wait to get using those. Now, lastly, for the crystals, these are from the VDD store. Look at the quality of those, guys. So these are Sapphire, and they've got the gold back. Look at them shining. They are stunning. And they sent me a little gift as well. Thank you. Look at these. These are cool. I don't know what colour these are, but they're really unusual. A little bit big for what I like, but still, I like them. I like them. So that's everything for the crystals. I have to get putting them in my bling box now. Oh, I bought some Halloween stickers. I forgot I'd ordered these. They're pretty cool, aren't they? I like this skull with a rose in his mouth. I think they're really, really cool. That's quite smart as well. Libra, that's my star sign as well. I think they're really, really smart. Just thought they was a little bit unusual. I've not seen anything like those. Right guys, I think I'm going to cut that off here because I've still got quite a bit to go through. So I think I'm going to cut it off here and I'll bring out a part 2. I hope you guys don't mind. Like I said, I shall leave all the links in my description box. Any questions, feel free to leave me a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I really hope you've seen some bargains that you'd be interested in buying. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing if you're not already. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.